I'm Dr. Saifudin Nadvi, consultant orthopedic at Apollo Spectra Tardev and Safi Hospital in Mumbai. Robotic has given us a more precise and less time consuming and minimal invasive surgeries. It has helped us a lot in giving a more precision during the surgery, and also the fixation of the implant. We have a proper data also how do we have fixed the implant, and also the outcome of the patient is also very good with the robotics. So actually we have a CT guided robot where we have the CT plans with us, and we try to give the CT inputs to the robot, and also in real time we also give the inputs to the robot, and we have our own knowledge and research on this when we operate the patient, and in this all we try to get everything in line, and that gives us more precision during the surgery and after the surgery. This is what the robot has done, and is trying to assist us in the surgery to give us a proper implant alignment, fixation, and also balancing of the joints. It has helped a lot. Intraoperatively, we are in a much better position to understand what is the alignment, what is the position of the implant, how accurate we are. So that has helped a lot, and the outcome of the patient is much better with the robotics.